Hey, how's it going? This is Corpse. I figured out how to fix the Xbox S adapter. This is another video I'm making because the last one was kind of shitty. My mic wasn't working right, so I had to fix my mic on my phone. And I will show you the bits you need to fix up the Xbox S adapter. Okay. First, I just got a bit. I'll pull it out here. Okay, here's the bit you need to open the bottom of the adapter. I don't know if you can see that. It's a star-shaped screw, and it has a little hole in the center of it so it can go into the slot. And here's a little precision toolkit I bought. Costs about $6. Comes with all different sizes. There's Allen keys, or not Allen keys, I'm sorry, Phillip heads and flatheads. I just use the smallest flathead to open up the fan blade itself and everything else. And basically these are the only two tools you need, is this and this right here, the smallest one. And I'm not actually going to open it myself. I'm sure you guys can find another video where it shows someone opening it. But here it is now, and I've been playing on it for 5 days now, and it's quiet, doesn't make any more noise. And here's the bottom. I didn't put my rubber things back on, and that's the bit you need to open right there. There we go. And there's 4 of them. And it's on right now. I've been playing Grand Theft Auto San Andreas. Can't wait for GTA 5. It's gonna be good. Fixed that up pretty easily. If you guys really want a video of me taking it apart, I can do it, but I just do not feel like it at all. And this is a piece that was in the Xbox. It's I just decided to take it out. I felt like I didn't need it in there. Figured it would give me more airflow if I took this out. It's up to you if you want to take it out or not. Anyways, the key part to the Xbox to get the adapter working again is to actually pull the fan blade off. Inside there's this fan blade, and there's a cover on it, and then you want to pull that cover off, unscrew there's 4 screws there, you want to unscrew those 4 screws, pull the cover off, and then there's the fan blade sitting there. You can just grab that, pull it right out. It's only attached by magnets, and yeah, it's just attached by magnets. So you pull that fan blade off, and there's a tiny little steel pin there, and that little steel pin needs to be oiled. I just used motor oil from my car. I just pulled out the dipstick and put a little bit of oil on the pin itself, and then put it back into place to get oil in the inside of the motor there. And yeah, just made sure the pin was lubed up pretty well, and put it back together, and it ran perfectly now. Like I said, playing it for 5 days now, and it's working perfect. And I'll let you know if it breaks down again or not, but so far it's working great. Alright, leave a comment if you want more video or anything like that.